I got the moves, I got the groove, I got the ooh. I got the ooh, I got the ooh. I got the moves, I got the groove, I got the ooh. Better take them to school.
I just wanna go out and he throws a good X. Okay, let's continue playing. 300.
Что-то, что-то.
Okay, outlining.
Точное.
No! 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 These were my trophy 1000 points. I click pick up and it crashes. There was 1000 X right in front of me, right in front of me. Lucky Jet didn't give out 50, so we'll catch 40 each. And here I just take 10x. And good. There was so much X here. Just right mother.
Буск?
1000. There was no such X here in the story that is being shown now. There was a maximum of 15x, and now it's already 60, 70, 80. Come on.
Прохладно.
Warmer, 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 warmer.
Теплее.
No! There were 30,000 there. I believe that 1000 for 40 would come out. Why didn't I take 30? I just wanted 1000 ticks. I didn't succeed again. I could pick it up twice. Bitch, I could have taken 30 and the time 40. The total will be 70. Now the balance will be 100.